wanna sleep in the car here like tonight. Bun, bun, bun. I'm the bunny.
I always got that sun behind me. I don't know. Doesn't make for a good shot with the sun directly behind me, does it? Turn over this way a little bit. I think it's a little better. Ping Tom's Memorial Park on 18th Street. I don't know where we are. 18th Street and something. Cermak, I guess. That bridge is still active? Doubt it.
Go.
Constantine, those guys will attack you. Please, they'll fight back. They're not like pigeons.
Gusto.
Watch for the geese poop. I already stepped in it. There's a lot of it around here. What do you think, Constantine?
This is a cool park, huh? They come here in the summer?
It's a gusto.
It's a what?
It's a gusto.